The Kilimanjaro Safaris attraction at Disney's Animal Kingdom is filled with hidden gems. Animal encounters. Keep an eye out for hidden animal enclosures and habitats throughout the safari. Some animals may be more elusive than others, but with patience and observation, you can spot various species including elephants, giraffes, lions, cheetahs, rhinos, and more. Set design. Disney Imagineers have meticulously crafted the landscape to resemble the African savanna, complete with authentic vegetation, rock formations, and watering holes. Storytelling elements. The safari experience is not just about seeing animals. It also tells a story about conservation efforts and the importance of wildlife preservation. Listen closely to your safari guide for educational insights and conservation messages woven into the narrative. Hidden details. Pay attention to the smaller details scattered throughout the attraction, such as animal footprints, nests, and burrows. These subtle touches add to the realism of the experience and provide additional opportunities for discovery. Overall, the Kilimanjaro Safari's attraction at Disney's Animal Kingdom is a treasure trove of hidden gems and immersive storytelling that allows guests to embark on a safari adventure unlike any other. Take your time to explore and appreciate the intricate details that make this experience truly magical.
Strong.